This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious salmon recipe. First, select high-quality salmon fillets, ideally around 6 ounces each, ensuring they look vibrant and fresh. Next, it's crucial to pat the fish thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step helps achieve that desirable crispy skin when cooked. Finally, season your salmon generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any herbs you prefer, like dill or parsley, to build a great flavor base. There are several fantastic ways to cook salmon, each offering a unique texture. Pan-searing is excellent for crispy skin. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown. If you prefer baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until it flakes easily. Grilling also adds a wonderful smoky flavor. Aim for 3 to 4 minutes per side over medium-high heat. Elevating your salmon's flavor is simple with the right accompaniments. A classic lemon dill sauce brightens the fish beautifully, offering a fresh and zesty complement. For an Asian-inspired twist, a sweet and savory soy ginger glaze works wonderfully, adding depth and richness. When serving, consider pairing your salmon with roasted asparagus, steamed green beans, or a crisp green salad to complete a balanced and delicious meal. Proper storage ensures your leftover salmon remains delicious. Keep any cooked salmon in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. When reheating, gently warm it in an oven preheated to 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until just heated through to prevent it from drying out. This method helps maintain its moisture and flavor. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.